What is going on? First off, make sure you guys hit that like button for me. Let's get this video in the algorithm. This is to help players with defense in NBA 2K24. I still see where players really still struggle on defense and don't play defense and give up free threes, many of different things, right? So there's this Brazy guy, right? He's trying to ISO my teammate. It's not working. I told people ISO this year was going to be very, very different. What do I mean by that? I mean it's not going to be as strong because the defense is good. A player can stay with you. You're going to have to pick and choose. It's like you're going to have a bag. There's so many details to this game now, right? So I'm here to give you guys some defensive gems. It's all about positioning. You can see that is what defense is truly really about. You see how I stay a little bit right here and hang, stop it. Really watch how I'm playing. There are so many key things to defense that players do not realize. The ball comes out high to the big, but he's so high out, I'm not worried about that. That's why I sink in at times. Sometimes you can sink into the other player, like you see how I'm sinking in right here real quick, and then I start running over to my man. It's a big, so you have times to play around with that. Then he doesn't have good ball control. I have good perimeter defense, clamp, strength. Out of bounds. So learn how to do that at times. There's times you can go down and run. If you are a lockdown, or if you could just play good defense, stay a little bit close to when the screen is like switching off and he's rolling out to the corner. And then once you know like he's about to dime and dot it to the corner because he probably thinks you're not playing defense, boom, you pick up right on that corner. Now right here again, what you're going to be seeing on the screen is me doing the bait in again. All right, now this is a bait play, just so I can break it down and keep people to understand. This is a bait play. It's risky because it's about positioning, right? Now watch. The big, I know he's slow and it's going to take some time for him to release his shot and do certain things, right? So I sink down right here real quick and you see I get the ball right to the big. I jump just to be in the window. Now let's stop. Now watch again how I do it again. It's like I leave the big, okay? You leave him for a second. Look, I'm dropping right here. I see the screen, right? And I'm looking at what side he wants to go to. I move over to the left a little bit. I'm still staying here because the ball's going right here. You know the big doesn't want it right there. They throw it to the bird in the paint. No sir, right into the other defensive player. And also, not to forget you guys, I'm rocking the defensive assist strength on a 65, okay? Box out strength, I went to 55. I put these things up by just a little bit of points, just so the defensive assist strength can put me in certain positions. I'm gonna go into deeper detail in videos. I want to structure my videos a little bit differently, but I want to still give you guys the numbers and the settings on what I got my stuff at, right? So you guys can feel like you have the same defensive ability as me, but that comes with certain IQ and skill that we will have to teach. Hit the like, subscribe, positive vibes. Oh, the clock is running. Ha! Tough play, smart play. Back on D. Now you see what I'm doing right here. Watch how I'm playing defense on the court when it comes to help D. You see how I'm here? There's nothing there. They can't do anything right there, so they have to kick it out to the guard. Bang, bang. Tough three. Are they going to maintain doing this? We going to see. I love defense in this game. I'm going to tell y'all this right now off the rip. This lock build too is crazy. My boy D Rich in the post fade, bang. D really be doing that with the buckets, the post fade buckets. This build he on too is a tough build. We had a tough lineup out here. They had problems. Oh, my teammate helped me out. Oh, and you see what I mean by you can't always help. These bigs, these 7-footers are going to start learning how to shoot for sure. And I think he's 6'11". Actually, I don't think he's 7 foot. I think he's 6'11". I believe so. Yes, sir. Ha! 6'6" lock. I don't have everything on him, but we still got enough badges to where I can do a little bit, you know, and work out a little bit, you know, and get the baby buckets from our team. We really out here to play D though. We really did defensive menace. Look, I get the body bump, negate the big out the paint. I come over here, shade. You see how I flash myself real quick? That just helps my teammate. I flash myself again, get the ball to go into the corner. Boom. So let's talk about the flash game. Look at this. I come over to the right to look like I'm gonna go to rip. He has to dribble over to the left. Like, this is mind game magic tricks I'm doing. I come over again to look like I'm closing the gap, but I didn't fully commit. I understood what I was doing right there just so I can jump back and do this and contest. Do you guys see the skill? I hope y'all do. Y'all seeing the skill? They gotta take that out the game. Y'all, there's still a lot of bugs in this game, so try not to get yourselves too frustrated. When people jump on you, then you go out of bounds. Try not to get yourself too frustrated. Y'all see their opponents is up 10-8. Ah, man, it's time to lock in. What do I always say though? Defense wins the games. You really get a solid team to like know how to play some good defense, man. It's gonna really break certain players. Certain players not really built to just keep going long games of offense. They'll start getting anxious and stuff. You gotta get them to those points. D-Rich with the turnaround fade. Oh, nothing this time. I'm still down here looking at the PG. Nobody's on him. He's scared. He didn't want to shoot. He got the slasher icon, so maybe that's why we here in the paint on this. Nothing very. Look at this. PG don't really got too many moves. He tries to go with a little lay-in. No, sir, we're there. The defense is there from the team. Look at this. Let him jump. Easy. Easy for the lock. I'm telling y'all, this is the catfish lock build. People think I'm a baby. They just don't realize it. They don't realize the power the build has, the 90 strength. Things that you need as a lockdown, and I see why, because there's a lot of body contact, bumpings, physical handles plays out in certain animations. Look how I'm jumping in the window. I tell people to jump always. Some players think not to jump, but no, jump in the windows just so they know it's like securing them not shooting. If you just walk up, they could just pull real quick in your face, and it's that one split millisecond from you not jumping. Corner pocket shot. We got 75-3 on the lock. I just gotta get used to shooting on him. They're up 12-10. Let's go. I have the defensive settings coming for y'all as well, so stay tuned. Oh, Dom, ball movement. D-Rich. He shoots that fade. He shoots that fade. You're gonna see basketball when you see me playing with some of the people I'm playing with. You're gonna see some basketball. You definitely are gonna see that. Peakster. He tried to do it. My 80 passing. I love it. Oh, the passing in this game, they really try to go crazy with some of the pass animations, right? But my homie's gonna get the bucket right here. Boom. Now I want y'all to watch this play. This play is really it right here. Like, this is the play. This is when you really make defensive plays. Watch this. I've been waiting all game. Boom. Then I wait for the strip. Mid-game strip. I always say just wait. Sometimes as a lock, don't go crazy. Now they always say the PG should not give up the ball so quick. And this is why. The big man has to put it down. And before he can put the ball down, I use the glove badge. Always know that when you're looking at big men when they're catching the ball. Watch for when they put the ball down. You have to press the X or the square button before that ball hits the ground. Not too fast, but while he's like in the motion of putting the ball down. It's just like whack-a-mole. You understand? Just like whack-a-mole. Just think of it like that. And save your steals. Sometimes look at a steal because you can also potentially get a foul. So you have to be careful. Now right here on this play right here, he is locked. I have him in the box right here. He has to pass to the corner. Terrible pass. Could have gotten stolen. But we're going to lock in eventually. Look at this right here. They get the play. I jump in the window because I knew he had the peak. Boom. I'm going to show you guys something. On this play, this is just a teamwork thing right here. Now watch when he's rolling. The bird is going to set the off ball. D-Rich should have just stayed high and stayed up because he would have been on that side and he would already have just had him boxed in. But that not being there, that positioning, it just forced us all just to jump recklessly like this at him. Not even recklessly. We jumped on point, but it was just too late. He's in the window. He has take. But if he's there on that side, that shot doesn't even potentially happen. When you slow down, you watch it like film, you start to realize certain things like, damn, yeah, if I am right there, I close off that side right there for him even having to do that. I don't even jump because D-Rich is just on that side, and then he just has to probably dribble back around to my side. You say how the game works, y'all. Gotta make them work. Gotta make them work within the time limits and gotta see the plays. The toughness on the shot. The supreme toughness. Y'all see what it is now. I have the defensive take on now. Now it's time to work. He thinks he's going to ISO me. I want y'all to really watch my perimeter D. It is tough. I don't even have to spam the steals. I'm really a lock like that. I don't have to spam the steals. Look, I'm on the Look, he don't want to go in the paint and do that. He doesn't. We're going to jump right here. He doesn't. They need a 3. What's the 2 going to do? We've been scoring. They need it. Come on. They need it. Look at the D. I'm here again. Hold up. You got another round? We got another round. I'm not moving nowhere. Come on, all the spins. He doesn't want the midi, y'all, so I'm just really grounded right now on this 3-point line. Send him inside. I could chase him like this, and I can go right to this man. I am here. Now, take a look at this. I get the body contact. I'm backing up. I'm not reaching because reaching is going to slow me down. He truly right now just wants a peak 3. You have to understand this with all the small PGs. You can get help now this year in the paint. They just can't quick drop dunk, so they have to take a secured layup as well. I know he doesn't want a midi, so I'm just playing this 3 line. You see, I let him get past me. I'm not worried about that. I'm jumping still because I'm going to contest this. You still have to make a tough layup regardless. I don't care if we jump right here. And I have my teammate right there. The bird is in the midi. We're all in great position. We don't have to worry. Right here, big man just gets the board. I'm not jumping right here. I'm not reaching for that steal because I know how the game is. He could just dribble to the side and get a peek. So I'm letting him reset again, doing his moves. We're going to have another perimeter battle right here again. You see, I'm just playing perimeter defense. He wants the 3. If he gets inside the mid-range, you're fine. Ankle braces right there. He doesn't get the right peek he wants. He slides in. I already know this is the last 3 that they have right here on the corner. And you see what we do. And I wanted to make sure not to reach right there and just pluck them, even though sometimes you're going to get fouls. You can't just reach all the time. But just to show, like, the perimeter D right there is there. Like, my perimeter D is there. You see right there, like, I got the foul. Right, so you have to still be a little bit smart with the takeover on the lock take, regardless of it being OP or not. Some people think it is, some people don't. Good contest right there. We're on it. We're playing D. I foul right here again. This is a smart foul because you see how he was right there outside on the 3-point line. Learn how to do things like this. Let me show you. Now, some people are not hip to things like this. Look at this. Shot goes up. Oh, we're all crashing. I foul quick because look at the PG. He is at the 3-point line, wrapping around. Yo, throw it real quick. He can get the score to 18. You see how clutch and how quick you can use your mind to think to do things? Forcing them to a reset, having to start back over to say, hey, if you're going to get this bucket, you got to start over again. Putting more pressure back onto the guard. We know that this game is still real life because there is still another player playing on the other side of the screen. So the more pressure you can give them just by hoping, not hoping, just doing certain things in game, understanding based off of the player's movement mechanics. Right here, they get the easy dunk. That's what they've been just having to force to try to do. Okay, they're still down. We still got the odds. We still up. Right? Boom. I come with a brick wall. Hold up. Pass fake. Let's see what we got. I'm taking my time down to the corner. Look at this right here. Look at this brick wall screen. Oh my, for my teammate. Beautiful to end the game. This was part 1. My defensive tips, tricks, the gems videos. Please hit the like, subscribe, show support. I have more coming soon because there's so much details to this new game. Hit the like, subscribe, positive vibe.